Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to create a rosy makeup glam look. What you really need is using some rosy tone eyeshadow colors, lip colors, blush colors, and it really just is like a glam, romantic, rosy look at the same time. I'm going to start with my primer, and I'm going to use the Pixie by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer. I'm going to use about this much. I'm going to use my foundation. This is the Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, and it's in the shade Light Medium 14. Okay, let's go ahead and use this. I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Lab foundation brush. I'm going to use my concealer. This is the NARS concealer in shade Macadamia. Setting your under eye area with some translucent powder. Make sure that you have your concealer on first, and then use a brush here, then apply it underneath the eyes. This is supposed to help set the makeup underneath, but also brighten underneath the eye area. I'm going to prime my eyes before I do any eyeshadows, and this is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base. This is an eye and lip primer. And I'm also going to set the eyes with the translucent powder here. And what this does is it's going to give me like a nice soft base on my eyes, so that way I can do like a nice soft look with a glam look. Let's also set my face. This is the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette, and it has 5 different colors here, and I'm going to use this shade here. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid here. And what this is going to create is it's going to create some like softness when I put the other eyeshadows layered on top of it. I'm going to use the Glitter Goals from NYX. This is like a nice red shade, and it has some nice sparkle to it. This is shade Poppy Fields. I'm going to use a nice flat brush here to apply it on my eyelids. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow here, and this is Flirty Birdie from the Tropical collection that they had over the summer, and it's a beautiful creamy tone. And I'm going to apply that just right in the corners here. And I'm going to use this tone here again and use it right on above here to warm up the shadow. And I'm going to use this shade right here, and this is Linen. It's going to give me a nice like smoky look. I'm going to use this tone right here, and this is going to go as a liner underneath my eyes here to give it some fun, colorful eyes. Alright, and I'm going to do the eyeliner next. I'm going to use the Revlon Waterproof Color Stay Brow Pencil. This is dark brown. Okay, let's go ahead and put some lashes on. Oh, and I'm so excited to use these. This is handmade eco-friendly lashes, and these are made by MC, and she is a Hmong business owner. I did get the eye glue, which is amazing because it comes with a little brush here. I'm going to glam up this smoky eye look a little bit more with the Alpha liquid eyeshadow here to intensify the eyes a little bit, to give it a little bit more drama. And I'm going to take a small eyeliner brush here, and I'm going to use that to draw a little line above the black eyeliner. Okay, how pretty is this? I love it. I'm going to finish the look with some nude lips and some contouring and blush. Let's not forget the nose. Let's see, what should I do for blush? Okay, we're just gonna do this little guy here. Alright, let's do the lips. And I'm going to keep it pretty neutral for the lips. Before I do any lips, I'm going to prep it with the Eyes and Lips 24-hour primer here from Makeup Forever. Going to use this lip pencil in 604 from Makeup Forever, and this is a multi-usage matte pencil. So you can use it for your cheeks, for your eyes, for your eyebrows, anywhere on the face, and this is going to be my lip color. Ooh, this is so pretty. So you can use this on your lips, and you can use it on your eyes as an eyeshadow. You can use it on your cheeks. So I mean, look, using it on my cheeks. I'm just gonna blend that with my fingers. Ooh, so pretty. I'm going to top the lips off with the Pat McGrath Labs lip gloss here, Opalist. This is shade Dreamscape, and I'm just going to apply a little bit right in the middle of the lips here. And this is going to just give me an illusion of like fuller lips. To finish the look, of course, I must set my face. As you can see here, I curled my hair and put it inside. Finished off my glamour look here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.